Hello, this is Chris Cowan, and this is my first enhancement number one. And here we are at the template page. Of course, pulling in the PHP for the header, navigation, and the footer. And this is the large size view. And as we shrink down, it switches over to the smaller view. Everything's responsive. And the CSS and HTML, whoops, not there. Validate local CSS, no errors. Local HTML, no errors. And let's see. Here is the home page, full size or large view. And this is this was kind of a fun project, getting everything placed where it needed to be placed and behaving the way it's supposed to behave. So I had some fun with it. But yeah, we shrink it down and everything is responsive and changes sizes and all that kind of good stuff. Switches to the smaller view, shrinks down to be responsive. Tried to pick a font that was very similar. And again, this file pulls in the PHP and all that stuff. Keep doing that. Validating local CSS, no errors, and local HTML, no errors. So I think that's it. At least I hope that's it. Fun project. Thank you.